Separate your hair with a clippy. Start off by crimping the bottom of the hair. Leave the hot iron on the piece of your hair for about 5 seconds, then move your way down. The crimping iron that I'm using I bought at Sally's Beauty Supply. This crimping iron was $19.99. Remove the clippy. Take down some more hair and crimp the rest of it. If you would like to see a nail tutorial for the red and blue zebra nails that I have, I'll write a link in the description box below, or you can check out my channel. You have two choices to crimp your hair. You can do what I did. I grabbed a strand of hair and I crimped it, and then I would grab another strand and I would leave it straight, and then I would grab another and crimp it. Or you can just crimp your whole hair. After you're done crimping every strand of hair, lightly spray it with some hairspray.